Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to use Spotify on multiple devices simultaneously. Here's how to do it easily. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a premium account. This feature only works on premium users, but I do not have an premium account right now, but I will be sure to make you understand the steps properly. Open Spotify on all devices you want to use: phone, tablet, desktop, or smart speakers. Use Spotify, connect on your current device, tap device available icon, then select the device you want to play music on. You can control playback from any device, switching devices seamlessly, and even play different songs on different devices at the same time with premium. And that's it. Enjoy Spotify across all your devices without missing a beat. I hope this video helped you on how can you use your Spotify on multiple devices simultaneously. If it did, make sure you hit the like button, and then do not forget to comment down, and also click on the subscribe button to help us grow. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.